What's up, brazen babes? So today we are going to be making a weed lip gloss, so let's get right into it. So I am going to go ahead to sanitize my hands because COVID is still out there and she is not playing fair. So I'm definitely going to go ahead to sanitize my hands and put on some gloves. So I did go ahead to set the tone with the strawberry pound cake candle. It smells so good and it is definitely my fave. And I did grab my squeeze tubes already as well. Also, I already put the Versagel inside of the bowl because I've been making lip glosses all day. So that's why you won't see me putting like the lip gloss or the Versagel inside of the bowl. But I do use TKB Trading for my Versagel or my lip gloss base because it's vegan and cruelty free. And then I also use coconut oil that's fractionated because if it's not fractionated, then if you leave it out in the car or any type of like cold weather, then it'll just turn into a solid and you don't want that. But as you can see right now, I am going to go ahead to mix up the Versagel with the coconut oil and make sure that you whip it and you whip it good because you do not want your Versagel and your oil to end up separating when it's time to put it inside the tube. So make sure that you mix it and you mix it real good. You get it in there, make sure you mix it all together, whip it together like you about to whip some eggs. You beating the eggs to death. Do the same thing with this Versagel and the coconut oil, okay? So to me, that came out like really thick. Like it came out too thick for my liking. Like that is thick. So I'm definitely gonna go back in there with more coconut oil when I put the flavoring inside. The flavoring that I am using is strawberry shortcake from Get Suckered. They have the best flavoring, so that's always gonna be my go-to. But I'm only gonna put a couple droplets in there because strawberry shortcake is very strong, so you only need like about like 4 droplets in there. And then I'm gonna go in with my coconut oil again. So now I'm going to mix them all together. I'm going to mix the coconut oil with the flavoring oil. Mix that very good. Mix that inside with the Versagel. And make sure that you whip it. You have to whip it. Whip it real good. Beat it. Ain't that what Michael said? Ain't that what Michael Jackson said? Beat it. Make sure you beat it. Y'all heard Michael. Beat it and beat it real good. Now, after I got done whipping it and I whipped it real good, I'm gonna grab the weed pieces. The weed pieces you can just get from like Amazon. They're only like $4 or something like that. But I'm gonna go in with the weed pieces and I grab my little spoon that I got from TKB Trading and I'm just gonna put them inside of the squeeze tube. So disclaimer, what I did at first, I put the weed pieces inside of the Versagel and then I tried to scoop it inside of my syringe. But then when I went to go try to put them inside of the squeeze tube, it got stuck at the bottom of the syringe. So, or at the bottom of the pipette. So I was unsuccessful that way. So now we're just gonna put the weed pieces inside of the squeeze tube and then put the Versagel inside of the pipette and see if that works better. Y'all, as y'all can see, like this is like a messy process. Like it's just weed pieces everywhere. It's like I miss like the whole lip gloss tube. Like I miss like the whole squeeze tube. Like this is just ridiculous. Like look at all of them weed pieces right there. That could have went inside of another tube. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead to grab my syringe and my pipette. So you cut off the top of the pipette and attach that to the syringe, and then you cut off the bottom of the pipette so it can suck up the lip gloss base. And then after that, you just attach both of them just like that, and you just suck up the lip gloss base, and you put it inside of each squeeze tube.
That's 100 points.
So now we're going to go ahead to put the tops on each lip gloss. I think they came out pretty dope. That's how they came out. That's nice. And then of course, like, it tastes like strawberry shortcake. Like, who doesn't like strawberry shortcake? But I'm going to go ahead to put the lids on there, or the tops, whatever one you want to call them. And then we're going to wipe around the top. So like all like the lip gloss, it won't be like all sticky and stuff like that if you do want to purchase one. So we're going to go ahead to wipe off the top with a baby wipe. Definitely sensitive, because I don't want y'all breaking out. So I use a sensitive baby wipe like around the top. And then we're going to go on to put the lids on. And that's the final product. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did like it and if you want to purchase, then the link will be in the bio. I hope that you guys do like, comment, and subscribe. Also, thank you so much for watching. Bye.